Programming EDM machines has come a long way, but how intuitive is the control behind the KMWAY's EK series? Let's find out. Andy, we've heard about some of the really good points on this machine, but one thing we haven't gone through is the actual system itself. So can you talk us through a little bit about the programming, but also the back end and how it keeps this machine running optimized all the time?
Yeah, certainly. This, like many other wire machines, you load your programming in through an NC file that you get straight from CAD. It's very simple to program, and we have lots of providers that we use that can provide you software and post-processors that you can quickly get those parts up and running. As far as coming in from background systems, once the program's in the machine, it's really intuitive. So we search for our machining data. As soon as you've found that, you can load it straight into the program. So anytime you pull that program up in the future, you don't have to mess around trying to get your machining data, it just pulls it straight in. And when it's running, it's controlled through the servo and through the gap vault. So the speed is always optimized based on the current cutting conditions. During all the testing we did as we were sort of validating this machine, during cutting, the wire never broke once. It would always recognize that and back off the settings for us automatically. But that means it's a very stable cutting conditions, that all you have to do is just leave it running using the standard settings. You very rarely have to adjust those S codes.
So what does all of this give a customer?
Yeah, what it gives you is that confidence in running that machine lights out, and also knowing that you don't have to have those operators that are dedicated to this machine, that with a little bit of training they can get on, get it running. And we also provide backup and support in relation to training videos. We provide documentation sets, so it's not just here's a manual, get yourself running. We really give you that support, so even if you've not had full formal training, you could get the machine up and running, get it cutting metal.